Much of what we know right now is because of Central Texans like you sharing videos, images of your neighborhood with us. But we do want to remind you, never put yourself in harm's way. Only capture those when you feel it is safe. Here's some of what you've shared with us today. Tornadoes ripping through Central Texas Monday. This video taken in Taylor around rush hour. Dash cam video showing a tornado near the highway in Pflugerville. Another spotted in Manor.
Look at that bitch, a tornado. It's in Manor, Texas.
This footage captured in Round Rock near Gaddis School Road and A.W. Grimes Boulevard. That storm devastating the city.
Oh my God.
Mangling trees and leveling homes.
It's all gone.
And we do want to see your photos and videos. Please keep sending them to us. You can email them to ktbcnews@fox.com or share them on Facebook or Twitter. We are at Fox 7 Austin. Stay safe.